Hello, welcome back to Koree the Traveler. And in today's video, it's a little bit different because the video I'm starting it right now. Um, it's raining. Yeah, basically, I wanted to show you guys how the rain here it is, and our baby just woke up. He was sleeping, and he just woke up just a few minutes ago, right?
We were sleeping.
Both of you.
Today
And
he's crying more than usual.
maybe I think that is just how babies they usually behave.
Usually
at
he's
times.
so he doesn't usually cry a lot. But today whenever he wakes up he starts crying a lot.
Should we turn off the AC?
Yeah.
Because it's about to rain. Maybe I can open the window if it's hot.
I think there's cool air now.
So
And
we
it was hot today.
yeah, for sure. And that's the reason why it was hot. It's raining outside. So how have you been?
I'm okay. I've been really tired. I don't know why. I have a little bit of a sore throat and I've just been really tired. Like I can sleep for 4 hours and then I wake up and I just want to sleep again. It's like finally sleep has just caught up with me. Like I'm just so tired.
But I think it's because also we woke up early this morning to go and pick up our visitor, our guest. Of which, guys, if you want to see who this guest is, go to our main channel, Sylvia and Koree Bichanga, and you guys will be able to see and to know, right, baby?
Yeah, but I think it's also because, you know, when you're a bit sick with sore throat, you have to feel more tired. Maybe that's it.
Yeah, that's true. Hey, Taavi, are you having a good time?
This was how many ounces?
4.
4 ounces.
Yes, that should be 120 ml. So guys, you can see we are just the three of us. My parents-in-law, they left with our guest, of which they are supposed to be back just in a few. And see all these goodies that they brought home, like what she got from us for us all the way from the USA. And a big shout out goes to for all those
Our
snacks.
subscriber Shelly.
Shelly.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much for all these snacks. Yeah, and I don't know, it seems like it has stopped. Oh yeah, it's raining, so I want to take you guys out and show you outside. I'm trying to find the key. Where is the key? Where is the key? Okay, maybe in my bag here. Yeah, there it is.
I think I'm going to give you the bag.
Maybe you can wait a bit, just a little bit. I was washing the dishes, dirty dishes here. So it actually started, the rain started when I was just finishing. But I'm coming to clean up the kitchen a little bit to make sure the kitchen is clean. So I want to show you the plant again. I think you saw in my previous video I was able to plant, should I say replant, our orange tree here, you can see, and it's actually outside here where there's enough sunlight. Initially we had the tree here right in this corner, and there's no much of sunlight, but I was able to transfer it into a bigger pot so that it can have enough good soil and also enough water. And also being here, I think it will survive. So you can see it is actually drizzling right now, and there is someone who had asked if we are having rain here. Yeah, for sure, we've been having a bit of rain here and there. Oh, it's very, very cold. So this is not even like a lot of rain. A few days we had a heavy rain here, very heavy. It's only that maybe the rain it's coming, or maybe the rain is just passing. To me, the cloud seems to be not that heavy, so there is high possibility that it won't rain a lot here. So I'm so happy with our plant there. I was able to transfer the orange tree last night. Imagine I did that video of, you know, planting our orange tree at around 11 p.m. at night, because when we came home we were a bit tired, and by that time we had gone out with I went out with my wife and our baby Taavi. So by the time we were coming back and cooking supper, things like that and everything, even though my parents-in-law had prepared supper, we had like a lot of things to do. We had to make sure our guest where our guest was gonna stay in one of the B&Bs here, she was gonna have we had to make sure that she had some few things in the fridge, like just basic things for 2 nights, because being on Tuesday today, my parents-in-law, they'll be leaving on Thursday, which is I can say just some few hours from right now, and it's gonna be so hard for us, hard for us, but I believe we're gonna manage. And thank God we have our special guest right here, so she'll be able to take care of the baby when we are worn out at all, like completely. So bless her soul. So I was able to transfer the orange tree, and there's also something that you guys were asking about this pot. Yeah, it has a very, very big hole. Not that big, but there's a hole underneath the pot, so I believe it will survive. I just love the marble stones. They actually make this plant to look so good, very presentable. Oh, the rain it's going away. So I need to go finish up with the washing dishes. I thought the reason as to why I brought you guys out here, it's because I thought it was gonna rain that heavy, and at least for you guys to be able to see the amount of rain we always have here once, like sometimes, you know, like once in a while. So I'll just have to go back in and finish up with the cleaning, because we need to bathe our baby Taavi, and I think he's already asleep. Is he already sleeping?
But he won't sleep for long. I just quickly wanted to put him down so I can clean up the house a bit.
The luggage is they've already started packing.
You know, the house is, oh gosh.
So I'm gonna quickly finish up putting away some of these, like this, that, and I need to wash this pan.
You are the vine, and we are the branches. I can do nothing apart from you. The giver of life, the one to hold on to. I can do nothing apart from you. No, no. You're my lifeline. 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 You're showing forgiveness and loving your children. I can do nothing apart from you. No, no. Speaking your word and being able to listen. I can do nothing apart from you. No. You're my lifeline. 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 Yeah. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline. Yeah. In you I live, in you I give. In you I love and can forgive. In you is where my breathing is. You're my lifeline. In you I live, in you I give. In you I love and can forgive. In you is where my breathing is. You're my lifeline. In you I live, in you I give. In you I love and can forgive. In you is where my breathing is. You're my lifeline. In you I live, in you I give. In you I love and can forgive. In you is where my breathing is. You're my lifeline. 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 God. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline.
So
My lifeline.
I am done here in the kitchen with cleaning and making sure that things are clean. Yippee! So by the way, let me show you guys this. We also got this from the US, Harvest cider, and it smells so good. And we've not even light it up, but the scent, it's just amazing, right, honey?
Yeah, it is. It's so nice.
Where should I place it?
I don't know. Where do you want to put it?
It doesn't matter.
Maybe we can put it here on the table.
Like for now.
This should go in the fridge.